Now exercise number 3.1, first question. A school purchases some furniture and gets the following bill. Cash bill, Mullai Furniture Mart, Tanjavur, bill number 728, date 23/4/2018. Serial number, here items are given: sitting bench, writing desk, blackboard, chair, table, and the quantity is given here, and the rate is given in rupees, and the amount is also given in rupees, and the total amount is also given, and some questions are given. You have to answer the questions. First question, what is the name of the store? What is the name of the store? You have to write the name of the store. The name of the store is Mullai Furniture Mart. The name of the store is Mullai Furniture Mart. This is the answer for first question. Second, what is the serial number of the bill? Second one, what is the serial number of the bill? That is the bill number. It is 728. So, the serial number of the bill is 728. You have to write the answer. The serial number of the bill is 728. Next, third question, what is the cost of a blackboard? What is the cost of a blackboard? He bought 2 blackboards. Here the quantity, in the quantity it is given 2. So he bought 2 blackboards. The rate for one blackboard is 3000. The question is, what is the cost of a blackboard? So the cost of a blackboard is 3000 rupees. You have to write the answer. Next, how many sets of benches and desks does the school buy? How many sets of benches and desks? So see the sitting bench and the writing desk, their quantity is 50-50. It is given. So that means sitting bench and writing bench 50 set. The question is, how many sets of benches and desks does the school buy? So the answer, 50 sets. The school buy 50 sets of benches and desks. Next, verify whether the total bill amount is correct. We want to check whether the total amount is correct or wrong. For that you have to see this quantity and the rate. 50 bench, 1200 for one bench. So 1200 into 50, that is equal to 60,000. Next, 50 writing desk, the cost for one set is 1500. So 1500 into 50, 75,000. And blackboard, the rate of one blackboard is 3000 rupees. They bought 2 blackboards, so the amount is 2 into 3000 equal to 6000. Next, chair, they bought 10 chairs. The cost for one is 950. So for 10 chairs, the cost is 9500. And the table, they bought 10 tables. The cost for one table is 1750. So for 10 table, the cost is 17,500. Next, you have to find the total amount. You have to add all the amount and you have to check whether it is correct or wrong. If it is correct, it is correct though. So the answer is, the bill amount is correct. You have to write that one. The bill amount is correct. Next, second question. Second one, prepare a bill for the following books of biographies purchased from Marudu Bookstore, Chidambaram on 12/4/2018, bearing the bill number 507. We have to prepare a bill for the biographies, for the books of biographies purchased from Marudu Bookstore. So the name of the book store is Marudu Bookstore, and it is located in Chidambaram, and the date for of purchasing is 12/4/2018, and the bill number is 507. The items purchased are 10 copies of Subramania Bharatiyar. This symbol denotes at. 10 copies of Subramania Bharatiyar at rupees 55 each. Each means one book cost is 55 rupees. They purchased 10 copies. Next, 15 copies of Thiruvalluvar at rupees 75 each. The rate for one Thiruvalluvar book is 75 rupees. They bought 15 copies. Next, 12 copies of Veerama Munivar at rupees 60 each. The book Veerama biography of Veerama Munivar book, they bought 12 copies and the cost for one copy is 60 rupees. And 12 copies of Tiruvika at rupees 70 each. That is the biography of Tiruvika book, 12 copies they bought. The cost for one book is 70 rupees. Now we have to prepare a bill for the given date. Now first you have to write cash bill. Next you have to write the name of the store, Marudu Bookstore, Chidambaram. It is located in Chidambaram. And next bill number 507 and the date. Next you have to mention date 12/4/2018. Next serial number. They purchased 4 items. Subramania Bharadiyar, Thiruvalluvar, Veerama Munivar and Tiruvika. They bought 4 autobiographies book. Subramania Bharadiyar, Thiruvalluvar, Veerama Munivar and Tiruvika. So we put serial number 1, 2, 3, 4 and name of the books Subramania Bharadiyar, Thiruvalluvar, Veerama Munivar, Tiruvika. And the next column quantity. Quantity means here Subramania Bharadiyar book 10 books they bought. So the quantity 10. Thiruvalluvar 15 books. So 15. Veerama Munivar 12 books and Tiruvika also 12 books. Next the rate for one book is given at each means 1. So rate is Subramania Bharadiyar book 55 rupees. For one book 55 rupees. And Thiruvalluvar book 75 rupees. Veerama Munivar book 60 rupees. And Tiruvika book 70 rupees. Next you have to find the amount. So first Subramania Bharadiyar book they bought 10 books. The cost of one book is 55 rupees. So you have to multiply 10 into 55. That is 550. So the first one amount 550. Second Thiruvalluvar book they bought 15 books. The cost for one book is 75 rupees. So 75 into 15. You have to multiply. 5 5s are 25 and balance 2. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 2 37. Next 1 5 is 5. 1 7 is 7. Next you have to add. We get 1125. So the second one amount is 1125. Thiruvalluvar book 1125. Next Veerama Munivar 60 rupees for each book. That is one book 60 rupees. They bought 12 books. So 12 into 60. You have to multiply. 12 6 are 72 and 0 720. So the amount is 720 rupees. Veerama Munivar book 720. Next Tiruvika. Tiruvika book rate of one book is 70 rupees. They bought 12 copies. So 12 into 70. We get 840. So the total amount for Tiruvika book is 840 rupees. For 12 copies 840 rupees. Veerama Munivar book 12 copies 720 rupees. And Thiruvalluvar book 15 copies 1125. And Subramania Bharadiyar 10 copies 550 rupees. Next you have to add all the values to find the total amount. So you have to add all these. First 5, next 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 4 13. So we write 3 and balance 1, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 8 22, 2 balance 2, 2 plus 1 3. So the total amount purchased is 3,235. 3,235. This is the method of preparing a bill.